This may be controversial, but I really don't like the plastic toothpick in Swiss Army knives because I carry my own wooden toothpicks that work way better and are more sanitary. Being sort of obsessed with EDC efficiency, it kind of bugged me to waste this tool slot for a toothpick when I never use it. But one day I had an epiphany. The double-sided precision bit driver in my Leatherman Wave Plus could fit in the toothpick slot if I could figure out a holder for it. After tons of trial and error over the last few months, I've designed a 3D printed tray that holds the Leatherman precision driver and slides right into the toothpick slot in the scales of any Swiss Army knife with just enough friction to keep it in place. It's hard to see because it's so small, but the Leatherman bit driver's cross-section isn't square, it's rectangular. And since we're so tight on space, this will only slide into the scales if you lay them in the tray with the flat head parallel to the bottom. There's literally no room to spare in this design, so if you put it in any other way, it'll jam. The bit driver is really tiny, so you can't apply too much torque with your fingers, but it's usually enough to tighten up a loose Phillips or flathead screw on a pair of glasses. When I first showed the prototype of this, a few of you suggested I add a hole to make this work as a mini T-handle so you can apply more torque. I think that's a great idea, and the place with the most material to work with is the end, so I added a vertical slot that gives you much more power and control. It's designed for a snug friction fit, so be sure you line up the flathead driver so it's parallel with the tray, and I suggest holding it near the center to avoid putting too much force on the tray. If you're thinking to yourself, wait, Victorinox already sells a precision driver. Well, that's true, and you can buy this set of 4 mini tools that thread into the corkscrew for $15 to $20 shipped, and they work really well, but there's 2 problems. First, you can only carry one of these, so you need to pick whether you want to carry a flat or Phillips bit. The Leatherman driver is double-sided, so you can carry both, and they're a bit longer. Second, these are only an option if you have a Swiss Army knife with a corkscrew. If you have a model with a backside Phillips, or a smaller 58mm model like the Classic SD, Rambler, or Manager, those don't have a corkscrew, so you're just out of luck. If you're willing to give up your toothpick, this will work in any model, so it's more universal. At this point I thought I was done with the design, but then I realized there's 2 sizes of the toothpick. The large toothpick fits 84, 91, and 111mm models like the Bantam, Spartan, Tinker, Compact, and Cybertool. This one has an angled head because it sits next to another scale tool. Small toothpicks fit 58mm models like the Classic SD, Rambler, Manager, Minichamp, and Jetsetter. This has a square head because it sits at the center of the scale. So I designed trays that fit both sizes and has a small nail nick to pull it out easily. Beyond glasses, I found the flathead is useful for flipping small dip switches on my studio monitors and other computer gear. It's also been great for pressing recessed reset buttons, poking holes in materials, and even some precision scraping. You may not use it all the time, but it's way more useful than the plastic toothpick. I've had a bunch of people ask me if I would sell these or post the 3D print files, so I've decided to do both. First, if you have a 3D printer, I've posted the files for you to print this yourself. The link is down in the description. Since this is an incredibly small and detailed print, you need to use an extra small 0.2mm hot end because tolerances are so tight. I printed these on my Bamboo A1 in PLA, and it takes some tinkering because this tiny hot end likes to clog. If you want to print these yourself, you also need to buy a 3-pack of the precision bits from Leatherman for $5, but keep in mind that shipping will cost another $6. I bought a bunch at once to minimize shipping costs. I know most people won't have a 3D printer, and when I checked online, it was pretty expensive to print these with this service, so I wanted to offer these on Etsy. Right now you have a choice of 8 colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, white, gray, and black. I also found this really cool glow-in-the-dark yellow filament that looks especially cool if you have transparent scales, so that's another option. To keep it simple, I'm including the Leatherman precision driver and both the large and small size trays, so these will work with any model you have. Since these might break or wear out, I'm including 2 of each size so you have a spare. Each kit with 4 trays in a single color and the Leatherman bit driver costs $18 and includes free shipping in the US. I'm able to offer free shipping in the US because I've designed the packaging to be a standard letter size so I can ship them for basically the price of a stamp. I'm not offering international shipping right now because it will cost as much as the product. But if you're interested in that, let me know in the comments and I'll consider adding it. These are for sale now on Etsy in my new SwissMod store. The link is in the description if you're interested in buying. I am so excited to have these up for sale, and I know it took a long time to get to this point, so thanks for being patient. I have my entire SwissMod store with inventory and packaging in this little box with everything ready to ship. Let me know down in the comments what you think, and if there are other colors you'd like me to add. Thanks for watching, everyone. Till next time.